swimming like me. What's this? Now your boyfriend wants, right?
Hi guys, so first things first, I just want to tell you guys about this hair. I had this hair for about a year. This is Lavy hair. I know a lot of people have been asking about this hair. Is it good hair? Is it bad hair? Blah, blah, blah. So real quick, it's pretty good hair. It's really good hair. No complaints. This is my second time actually doing an install. So yeah, straight hair is my thing. You already know I got a big head, and today I'll just show you what I do just to keep up with the straight hair, how to make the sheen still stay, have your hair lasting a very long time. Okay, you can still have really good hair, but you still need to know hair care tips to have it last a long time and have it look brand new. Okay, so first things first, number one is wash. When you wash your hair, a really good shampoo and a really good conditioner. So first things first, with the shampoo, I highly advise you get a very moisturizing shampoo, a shampoo that could bring back moisture in your hair. So the more moisture is the less frizz, makes your hair very shiny, it makes it really smooth, and it's something that I just can't live without. And I also use this for my hair. So this is the shampoo that I use. This is Elucence, and this is what I use for my natural hair as well. It's very good for natural hair. So everything that I mostly use for my natural hair, I actually do for my extensions, and it also controls your pH balance. Okay, ladies? And what this shampoo says is it increases moisture content for dry hair, improves hair texture and appearance, hair manageability, it's rich in formulas, and it also strengthens your hair. So it's a very good shampoo. So I highly suggest a very hydrating and moisturizing shampoo. And I also got the set, so I also got the conditioner as well. And it smells really good. It just smells like a peach smoothie. So it just smells like a whole smoothie. Like, it's really nice. And this is the conditioner, and it's from the same brand. And this says that it boosts moisture levels with lipids and proteins. So moisture. It adds softness, shine, and silkiness to your hair. It minimizes breakage, and you could also use it as a leave-in conditioner. So this is why I use these two for this hair. It gives you shine, it's moisturizing, no breakage, and girl, it's good. So number two, oil. You need some type of sheen, some type of heat protector, some type of oil on your hair when you're flat ironing it, if you're blow drying it. If you want to keep that, you know, new hair shine, you need an oil. So I use two sets of oils, and this is one brand. It's called Mystic Divine, and it is a argan and manoi oil nourishing dry oil spray. And I use this for shine, and I also use it on my natural hair as well, and it's very lightweight. So if you're a girl that has very like low porosity hair, or something that's very lightweight, you want to style your hair, I would suggest this. People always be texting me like what they want. I'm making a video. If not, the second oil that I use is called the Silk Elements Strengthening and Silk Coconut Heat Protectant Spray. So the thing is, I don't have the bottle here because it broke, and I actually put it in another bottle, which is this, and I have two bottles. So ignore the bottle, but I use this. And the other one, I will put a picture somewhere, or I'll write it down in the description below. The thing I really like about this bottle is because the oil is amazing. It keeps your hair very silky. It's healthy. It has coconut in it. Like, come on. It smells amazing. And on top of that, it's a very good heat protectant. So after you wash your hair with the Elucence that I told you about, after you wash it with the Elucence, just go over with this spray, the Silk Elements Heat Protectant Spray, just a little bit, just like 2 sprays. You work your hands, comb your hands through it, and then you blow dry on medium heat, and it protects your hair from getting that fizz, from getting it tangled, and it also, that extra oil will make it very silky. So this is why I love those 2 oils. So the next tip is 3, and my next tip is a flat iron. You need a very nice flat iron. So right now it's actually on because I actually did my hair before this video, but I'm using the Revlon flat iron, And to be honest, the only reason I bought it is because it's pink, but it actually ended up being a really good flat iron. And it goes up to about, it says 30, but it's really hot. And I will use like the comb method when I do my flat irons, like when I press my hair. And I'll probably show you just real quick. Oil, spray a little bit. I massage it in. I just use my fingers first because I feel like this is how you could tell if you need more oil. And I'll also tell you that on tip 4, how to know when you need more oil or not. Comb it out, and you know, just pick out a small section. And I make sure I have that comb. I do it like from behind because it just stays in place. And I just do like a few passes in the front first. And then you just bring it all the way down. Like here, by the way. I just love it. Look at it. You really think I got new hair? I had it for a year. But yeah, so it also depends on your technique. So I use that technique. People always say like you like to see the steam coming out, you think it works, but it depends on what product you have on the hair. So the oil gives you that. Also the heat protectant plus a really good flat iron, you could kill it. So first things first, to tell if you need oil in your hair, get a brush, pull your hair. Definitely work the back because that's where, you know, it could get the most tug. You get your fingers and then you just run your hands through it. Because I just added oil so you can't see any snags. But if your fingers just go right through without any type of snag or any type of shedding. Look at that. I'm not even shedding. Is that crazy? And I believe that's about it. That's all I do for my straight hair. As you can see, it's not a lot of products. I make sure I keep my products very limited, if not very lightweight, and it will just make your hair looking brand new. And that is it, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it really helped. This is what I do all the time because I'm a straight hair kind of girl. And let me know if anything worked out for you. If you need any help, any questions, just let me know.